Hi, it's me, Abby from the Wonder School, and I wanted to welcome you to Abby's Wellness Hacks. This is where I'll be coming to you to give you some little tips and tricks for your day and your year to help you in your health. So I wanted to talk to you today about the best cheap self-massage tool. And guess what it is? This right here. You might be familiar with it. It's called a tennis ball. I don't know about this trick. It's pretty amazing. I learned it from a massage therapist. So you could get a pack of balls for super cheap. I don't even know anymore because I usually just find them. And you take this, you can lay on it in your bed and just put it under wherever is hurting. And for me, that tends to be back here, on those, like under my scapula, in those muscles back there, because I spend a lot of time in front of a computer and driving, and it gets sore back there, or back here in between your shoulder blades. And you can put this behind you, between you and your car seat. So when you're driving, this is super great. When you tend to get that pain from crouching over the steering wheel, you can just put it in there. And what I learned to do is to put it in a sock. So you just take any old sock. This is great for those socks that you've lost the match to. And you just get it all the way down in the bottom of this sock. And you can just hang it over your shoulder when you're sitting in the car or when you're sitting at home on the couch, and you just lean up against it and it puts more pressure on it. So you get more leverage and it goes deeper into that muscle tissue. Now you can also lay on the floor, put this between your body and a carpet or a yoga mat, but just know that it will go deeper than if you're laying on a bed. So it's a way to get a really deep tissue massage, and you can figure out how deep that you want to go with that. You can also put this under your butt when you're riding in the car and get those glute muscles. So really awesome way to massage any muscles that are sore, and really cheap, really quick and easy. So have you tried this? If you have, let me know. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and share it, comment, and subscribe to the Wonder School on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching. Wishing you a painless day.